Hello DocTree family, we hope you are well and watching our videos. Today is going to be one of those videos in which we share with you the entire process from the sowing seeds to the eventual harvest of a fruit, vegetable or herb. The herb we will be talking about today is going to be dill, which is also known as soya or soa in Indian subcontinent. Let us first quickly peek into the health benefits of this healthy aromatic herb.
Dill is a powerful remedy for constipation. It has antacid properties as well, which helps in indigestion, ulcer, gastritis, and promotes better absorption of nutrients in the body. Dill leaves have powerful anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, and anti-asthmatic properties, which helps to ease the respiratory issues in patients. It also helps patients to have a good sleep, while it also helps to boost the overall immunity as well.
I will now quickly show you how you can easily grow an organic bunch of dill at home, and we will then proceed to the nutritional content. Just a quick glance at the nutritional content at the far end of this video. So I will meet you at the other end of the video.
So viewers, here I have a used fruit basket which I have double layered with a rice bag layer and a cardboard layer, and I will do this layering after every couple of seasons. Dill herb is a weed-like invasive herb. It is primarily the reason that it should be sown in a container and not in open ground. It does help to limit its spread. I will be sowing these dill or soya seeds in this basket. I will also sow the seeds at a few more locations like in pots and seedling trays. Here I am randomly spreading the seeds of the dill herb on the surface of the soil. Remember, the larger the container, the better the growth and the height of the dill plants. I might thin out these plants as well, but later. Right now, I am just spreading the seeds onto the surface. I am now covering the seeds with a thin layer of the leaf compost, and afterwards I will water it gently so that the seeds hold their place. The dill herb seeds are oval shaped and brown in color. The best time to sow these is just after the end of summers. But make sure that the soil used for sowing is well drained and fertile. Here I am planting these cumin or soft like dill seeds in the seedling tray, and I will put one seed in one spot. Once the seed starts molting, they quickly spread to the adjacent area, resulting in unwanted growth. The seeds of dill are edible as well and easily available in the grocery stores. Although I am sowing these dill seeds in the seedling tray to be transplanted later, but always remember that the dill plants really hates to be transplanted from one place to another. So it is really recommended to sow them in a place where you can continue their growth till the very end. If you have to actually transplant the dill plant, it should be done when the true leaves have grown on the stem. After the end of the season, the plant dries up and the flowers remaining on the stem continues to produce seeds for the another seasons to follow. So the dill seeds are finally sprouting now. This is the result after 1 week of sowing seeds. Usually it takes 1 to 2 weeks to sprout. You can see the two initial leaves below and the true leaves as well. True leaves means that the plant can now be transplanted, although we suggest otherwise. Other than the seedling tray, we also planted it in pots and baskets. All have started to sprout. Nitrogen based fertilizer should be added to the soil now. Here the plants are now 3 weeks old. These plants grew from the seeds that we sown here from the day one. It was never transplanted and it was also attacked by a pest. And we sprayed it with an organic neem oil pesticide. We continue to remove the leaves that were under attack so that the plant can grow and mature fully. With rise of foliage, the nitrogen based fertilizer should be added and increased as well. Home-based gardeners should use decomposed cow manure, decomposed chicken manure, or fish meal, or any other organic nitrogen-based fertilizer. Viewers, it's almost 7 to 8 weeks since the dill seed germinated. The size of the plant varies with the size of the container and the growing space between the plants. Our dill plant matured fully and is now ready for the harvest. It is harvested the same way like we harvest the spinach or coriander herb. Links are posted in the description. The way to harvest is to simply leave the center leaves intact and harvest the bigger outside leaves for your consumption. A healthy single plant of dill herb can give you multiple harvests throughout the season. Here you should always remember that the dill plant thrives well in warm and sunny conditions, and it should have direct exposure of sunlight from early morning to noon. Like every other green leafy vegetable, dill too requires generous watering. However, the soil should be well drained so that the roots can grow properly and do not succumb to rotting. The roots of dill herb grows to a maximum of 6 inches, which makes them an ideal choice for the gardening enthusiasts who live in apartments and do not have the luxury of growing many different plants at their home. So I am harvesting a handful of dill herb as per our family need. I am harvesting it one by one to avoid injuring the nearby herbs, but you may harvest it in a bunch as well. The dill is a local favorite in Asian cuisine. It has incredible strong aroma and adds that kick to the dishes like fenugreek with potato, lentils and fish. It is also used as condiments and for seasoning as well. Hopefully it continues to provide harvest throughout the season. So viewers, this is my beautiful harvest for today. I hope that throughout the season we continue to harvest a few more bunch like these and that you have learned a lot from our videos. Let us now very quickly go through the nutritional content of the dill herbs as well. Like any other leafy vegetable, the aromatic dill herb leaves are also rich in minerals and vitamins, while being low on calories, making it a must-have for any Weight Watcher.
We really hope that you learned and enjoyed our video today. If so, do press the like button and share this video with your family and friends. We look forward to your queries and feedback in the comment section. Subscribe our channel DocTree Gardening for more of these informative and educational videos. It's me, Dr. Lee from the team DocTree signing off. Take care.